Google has been hiding something, and it just leaked. This is not another chatbot. This is not Copilot or Cursor or any of those tools you have already heard about. This thing does not wait for you to tell it what to do. It chases goals on its own. And what it could mean for you and your income, that is what we are breaking down right now. Hey there, so if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my AI Cashflow Masterclass that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it.
Okay, so here's what happened. Google has been quietly building the next version of its AI coding agent called Jules, and someone leaked the internal details. The code name is Jitro, and the tech community went a little bit crazy when they found out why. Because this is not a small update. This is a completely different way of thinking about AI. Right now, almost every AI tool on the market works the same way. You go in, you type a prompt, you get an answer, and then you type another prompt, repeat that 100 times a day. That is basically just a fancier Google search. And most people are completely stuck in that loop and they do not even realize it. Jitro changes that completely. So let me break it down in plain language because this applies to way more than just developers. To understand why Jitro is such a big deal, you need to know what Jules is first. Jules is Google's autonomous coding agent. It launched in public beta last year, and it was already pretty impressive. You connect it to a code project, you give it a task, and it goes and handles the work in the background while you do other things. It can fix bugs, write tests, and even submit changes for review on its own. During its beta phase, Jules helped developers create over 140,000 code improvements that were shared publicly. That is not a small number. And people who tested Jules said working with it felt like instructing a smart junior team member. You give it the direction, it handles the execution. But here is the important part. Jules still needed you to prompt it every single task. You were still the one in charge of every individual decision. Jitro asked the question, what if you did not have to be? This is where it gets really interesting. Jitro is being called Jules V2, but the whole philosophy is different. Instead of you telling it what to do, you tell it what outcome you want. You give it a goal. Maybe that goal is reduce errors by 20%. Maybe it is make this website load faster. Maybe it is get more people to click the sign up button. And then Jitro figures out the plan. It maps out what needs to change, how to change it, and it tracks whether it is actually working. It runs in the background, keeps going, keeps improving, all without you needing to babysit every single step. Jitro is designed to be a persistent collaborator rather than a one-shot tool. There is an actual workspace where you set your goals, track insights, and connect it to other tools. Instead of telling the agent what to do, you define the desired outcome, and the agent figures out the path to get there. Think about that. That is like the difference between hiring someone and giving them a list of every tiny step to complete versus hiring someone, handing them the end goal, and letting them go figure it out. One of those scales. One of those does not. Okay, here's something I want to talk about that most videos skip over. The biggest mistake people make with AI right now is treating it like a calculator. You punch in a question, you get an answer, you move on, you punch in another question, get another answer, rinse and repeat all day. That is not a system. That is just being reactive. And a lot of people who say AI is not working for them, that is exactly what they are doing. They are using a BMW as a shopping cart. The people who are actually building real income with AI are not doing that. They are building systems that chase outcomes automatically. They set up workflows where AI handles entire jobs, not just individual questions. Jitro is basically Google standing up and saying, yeah, here is the right way to use this technology built directly into the product. Jitro shifts things from manual prompting to what they call KPI-driven automation, where the AI manages high-level goals rather than individual steps. That principle, running AI toward a measurable goal instead of a one-off task, that applies to way more than just code. And this is where it gets exciting for anyone who wants to build income online, whether you are technical or completely not. I need to be really clear here. Jitro itself is a coding tool, but the thinking behind it, that is for everyone. Think about it this way. Businesses pay people to manage their social media, write emails, run ads, handle SEO, improve their websites. Every single one of those is a goal-driven job, not a list of tasks. If you build a service around a measurable result, more leads, better search rankings, higher conversion rate, and you use AI to run the execution automatically in the background, you are doing exactly what Jitro is built to do, but for marketing and business services, not for code. This is not theory. This is already happening. And the people who figure out how to sell outcomes instead of hours are going to be way ahead of everyone else. Here is the honest truth, though. I did not figure this out overnight. This did not happen fast for me. It took years. A lot of trial and error before anything really clicked. I took the long way, messed up a ton, and learned through doing. But the moment I stopped selling tasks and started selling results, everything started to change. And now you have a shortcut to understanding that thinking way earlier than I did. Real quick, if you have been watching this video and thinking, okay, I get the concept, but where do I actually start to turn any of this into income? That is exactly what my free AI cash flow masterclass is for. This is not surface level stuff. It is a real breakdown of the AI services businesses are paying for right now, the workflows that can run without you manually doing everything, how to find people who are already suffering from what I call AI guilt, where they know they are behind and they want help and they are ready to pay for it, and how to build that into a system that brings in real recurring revenue. On top of that, when you register, you also get a free 30-day trial of the exact AI software I use to run my entire business. It is completely free to get started. The link is in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. Now back to the video. Now, here is the timing piece that makes all of this even more relevant. Jitro has not officially launched yet. As of right now, it is in pre-launch waitlist mode, no public web interface, but the buzz is already loud, and here is why you need to pay attention right now. Google I/O 2026 kicks off on May 19th. That is Google's biggest annual developer event where they announce their most important products and moves. One of the confirmed focus areas this year is agentic coding, directly alongside Gemini model updates. Google I/O 2026 is expected to showcase the latest AI breakthroughs and updates across the company, with Gemini and intelligent agents front and center. Most people watching this video right now have never even heard the word Jitro. You are watching this before the product is announced on the world stage. That is early. That matters. The people who show up first to a shift like this are always the ones who get the best positioning before everyone else floods in. Google is already internally testing this Jules V2 system with a KPI-driven approach designed to handle complex large-scale goals autonomously. Being early on tools like this is how people position themselves before the crowd shows up and drives prices and competition up. So what do you do with this information? Here are 3 things that actually matter. First, start thinking in outcomes, not tasks. Whatever you are thinking about doing online, whether it is a service, a product, a consulting offer, frame it around a measurable result. More traffic, more leads, better engagement. That framing is what separates people who get ignored from people clients actually want to hire. And it is the exact reason businesses will pay a premium for it. Second, pay close attention to Jitro when it officially drops. It will not stay in the coding niche. When Google releases something this powerful, it eventually bleeds into marketing, business automation, and every other area where people need results. Being someone who understands it early puts you ahead of 99% of people who will only hear about it after it is everywhere. Third, understand that the big platforms are committing hard to this agent-first direction. Jules alone is already being compared to and competing with major tools like GitHub Copilot for real business applications across industries. The shift toward AI that chases goals automatically is not coming someday. It is here now, and it is only going to get bigger. The question is whether you are going to position yourself to benefit from it or watch someone else do it instead. Look, the people who are positioned to win right now are not necessarily the smartest or the most technical. They are just the ones who pay attention first and take action while everyone else is still catching up. You watch this video before most people even know Jitro exists. You are early. That is not random. You are here for a reason. Now, if you are serious about turning what you are learning into real income, here is the step that matters most. Get into the free AI cash flow masterclass. Inside, I break down the exact AI workflows people are using right now to build real recurring income streams. The services businesses are already paying for, how to find the clients who are ready, and how to go from watching videos to actually executing and getting paid. No fluff, just the real stuff, step by step. And as a bonus, you also get a free 30-day trial of the AI software I use to run my entire business. That alone is worth signing up for. The link is in the description and in the top comment. Grab it while it is completely free. And if this video gave you something useful, hit that subscribe button because there is a lot more coming. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about Google Jitro. I want to hear from you, and I will catch you in the next one.